Hi, welcome to Tap Tech. The Galaxy Watch 8 is finally here, and it brings exciting upgrades. Samsung has taken a clear step forward with this new smartwatch. It's more refined than before. From design to performance and health features, the Galaxy Watch 8 shows Samsung is serious about making the best smartwatch experience. The design is sleek and modern. The watch is thinner and lighter on the wrist. The bezels are smaller, giving more room for the screen. The display is stunning, bright, colorful, and sharp. Whether indoors or outdoors, visibility is great. It now uses sapphire crystal, making it more scratch-resistant. The slightly larger screen helps when reading messages or tracking workouts. Samsung kept the rotating bezel in the classic version, which feels smooth and natural. The standard version has no bezel but excellent touch response. Band switching is easier now with a new quick-release system. You can change styles fast, sporty, casual, or formal. Performance is much better. The new Exynos W1000 chip makes the watch fast and smooth. Apps load quickly, and there's no lag. Battery life is improved too. It lasts around 40 hours on normal use, sometimes even 2 full days. Charging is quicker. A 30-minute charge gives almost a full day. It runs Wear OS 5, which feels clean and easy. Samsung worked with Google to improve it. You get Google Assistant, Maps, and more from the Play Store. Samsung Health and Samsung Pay work well too. Gestures like double tapping or wrist flicking help with quick controls. Health and fitness tracking is a major focus. Skin temperature tracking is more accurate now. Sleep tracking shows sleep stages clearly and gives helpful tips. The new bioactive sensor tracks heart rate, blood oxygen, ECG, and stress more reliably. Fitness features are stronger. The watch detects workouts automatically: running, cycling, walking, swimming. It gives heart rate zones to guide workouts. A new running analysis tool checks your stride, balance, and posture. It's useful for runners. Hikers also get route guidance and backtrack features. Samsung added AI-powered coaching that gives personalized tips based on your activity. It helps whether you want to lose weight, improve fitness, or just stay active. You can set goals and join challenges for motivation. Safety features got better too. Fall detection now works even while walking slowly or standing. If it detects a fall, it alerts your emergency contacts. It can also call for help automatically. There's also a temperature alert that notifies you if your body heat rises too high. The Galaxy Watch 8 comes in different sizes and colors. Options include black, silver, and a new clean-looking blue. There are also more strap options, including leather, silicone, and fabric. It fits many styles. The watch works best with Samsung phones. You get all features like blood pressure tracking. It also works well with other Android phones, but with a few feature limits. iPhones are still not supported. Samsung focused more on sustainability. The watch uses recycled materials. Packaging is smaller and eco-friendly. The manufacturing process is also more efficient. It's good to see progress in this area. Galaxy AI adds powerful features. It can summarize notifications, translate messages, and suggest replies. It also helps improve battery life and workout guidance. You get smarter alerts, like reminders to move or suggestions for deep breathing when you're stressed. Calls, music, and notifications work smoothly. You can answer calls directly, thanks to the built-in mic and speaker. Text replies are quick with voice, swipe typing, or preset replies. Notifications arrive fast, and you can control which apps notify you. Offline music playback is supported too. Samsung Pay now works with more banks. It's fast, secure, and convenient. You can also use your watch to unlock digital doors or cars if supported. These smart features make life easier. Voice control is better too. The mic and speaker are clearer. You can choose between Bixby or Google Assistant. Both handle commands well for reminders, info, or controls. There are many new watch faces. You can customize them, colors, widgets, styles. It makes the watch feel personal and unique. If you have smart home devices, the Galaxy Watch 8 works with SmartThings. Control lights, check cameras, and more, all from your wrist. It's handy for users already in the Samsung ecosystem. Privacy features are stronger. You can lock apps, hide sensitive data, or wipe the watch remotely. Samsung Knox handles background protection. The price is similar to past models. You're getting more features without a big price jump. If you have a Watch 6 or 7, upgrading may not be urgent unless you want better health tracking or battery life. But for older users or first-time buyers, this is a great pick. The Galaxy Watch 8 isn't perfect. There's no iPhone support, and some features are exclusive to Samsung phones. Battery life still isn't the best in its class. But these are small issues in a smartwatch that delivers so much. It's stylish, smart, and packed with helpful tools. Whether you care about fitness, design, or daily use, the Galaxy Watch 8 delivers. It's one of the best Android smartwatches available today. This is Tap Tech, and that was our review of the Samsung Galaxy Watch 8. Thanks for watching. And we'll see you in the next video.